hopefully you can see this. I'm using my Facebook page. This is Immaculate Show. To prove you right, this is me, right? So I'm going to be taking you through the insights on every most people wonder, how exactly do we earn on Facebook? In today's video, I'm going to take you through on how we earn on Facebook. Recently, there have been a very big cry of content creators, social media entrepreneurs on Facebook. Of course, those are the people who have been earning so much because they are now seeing money is going down. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly where you should be checking and see what you can improve, what you should edit, what you should not do, and what you should do. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Christine on Immaculate Show. Welcome to this mind-blowing video. In this video, please, it is majorly for beginners and even for people who have been on social media, but you wonder, how do you earn? In this video, we are not going to focus on views, but the views will come within there, of course. In this video, we're not going to focus on followers, but of course, followers or non-followers, but you need to see other people that are following you, that are watching you. So allow me appreciate, but before I appreciate my special engagers, I would love to put a big disclaimer. This is not a guarantee that if you follow me, if you do what I'm saying, you're going to have money and go and buy a of your dreams. Nah, this is an education video. I'm giving you 2 to 10% of what is working for me, of what I've discovered, of what the other 2% are using on social media and specifically on Facebook to make money that you didn't know. So whatever you get from here, go and research, think about them, look for it. Just use your browser, use AI tools, use YouTube, research and see what works best. Get to know that making money with your smartphone on social media platform has no competition. That's why I bring you for you this. Now, to my special engagers, you know I love you, right? Do you know I love you? I love you so much. Come. That is yours. I love you because one of the things that brings our algorithm to recognize us, it is engagement. Engagement, you find their likes, you find shares, you find clicks, you find reactions. Without knowing that comments is one of the best because it gives us even more ideas. So let's dive in and see the 2 things. And I'm going to show you using my page. The 2 things, 3 things, 4 things that matter a lot for you to earn on Facebook. So hopefully you can see this. I'm using my Facebook page. This is Immaculate Show. To prove you right, this is me, right? So I'm going to be taking you through the insights on every post, every video, every reel, there is a part for insights. And these insights, if you come here, you will understand why you're earning low or why you're earning high. So if you click on the insights, you're going to come here and see the analytics. The post is getting fewer views than a typical post, meaning for this post, it has 400 views. Here, it is being followed by 0 people. People who followed you did not follow through this. Then it has 29 engagement. You can come here and you see the content and your usual content. This content is, you can see how it is going. Then the usual content, it is in that system. So the usual content is always higher than this. Let's go and say when you've earned, this is where approximate earning is. And in this approximate earning, you'll get there for stars and you'll get there for content monetization. Now, this is where the real gist is. You can see here they say this post has lower views than typical post. Your post about music and dance tend to perform more, 304 better. So they even show you what works better. Let's go. There's somewhere I want to show you. Do you see 3-second views is 189. 1 minute views is 8. Meaning people who watched 1 minute are only 8. Others are watching 3 seconds. And that is very dangerous. Let's come. Please, I will not show you other things. No, we are on earnings. But in another video, I'm going to show you. Can you clearly see this? Can we zoom it? Can you clearly see this? This is where we need to concentrate. Approximate earning for this post with 400 views at the moment it is 0.00. Can you check on earning rate? Earning rate is 0.02 for 1,000 qualified views, which is extremely very low. Then qualified views, we have only 100 views which are eligible to earn. Hold on, do you remember what I said? We have 400 views, but out of 400 views, the only 100 views are qualified to earn. Only 100 views are qualified to earn. This is where now you're going to see. When you see that per 1,000 qualified views, you get 0.02. Now you have 100. If you can have 0.02 for 1,000 qualified views, for God's sake, when do you expect to get even $100 if you're still on this rate? Let's come and see what are the reasons. Because most of the things we see, qualified views, what are the reasons for us to find the views are not qualified? Out of 400 views, but completely you have only 100 views. And this is where people have been telling you that you saying that you have views doesn't mean that you have money. No. And this is an explanation, a very better explanation for you, that if you're there and you're on social media, don't concentrate on views. Don't kill people because of views. Don't be like a thorn in people's foot because you have many views. No. You might be poor when you have views, when you're packed with those millions of views. Let's come here. What are the top reason for non-qualified views? Because if you cannot have qualified views, first of all, your earning rate is very low, 0.02, completely very low. 2, you have only qualified views, only 100. So you have very many problems, by the way, but they are summarized into 2. Now, let's go here. What are the top reasons? The first reason, which gives 67.0% of you having unqualified views, it's because views duration is less than 5 seconds. Can you imagine? Did you know that the people you see that they say, I've watched you, they don't even go up to a half? Now, let's go back and have a teaching here, not only to know the reason. Now, for you to qualify on a reel or on a video to earn on Facebook, you should have posted a video or a reel of 10 seconds. So for the 10 seconds, if you've qualified to post 10 seconds, at least people should watch up to 5 seconds. A half of the reel. I always tell people, if you don't want to watch, don't open my videos. If you don't want to know, don't open my posts. Now, activity from restricted users. Restricted users, then we have repeat views. Repeat views, this is where you can find yourself, you're watching, it is 2%. Like, for example, I always find myself watching myself 2 times. Then you might be there and you want to understand more. You repeat, you say, I didn't listen well here. You go back and repeat. That's where I find this is unqualified view. But the unqualified for repeated views is low. Then activity from restricted users is also low. Which one has the highest percentage is view duration is less than 5 seconds. Now, from today, if you're a creator, I would love you to go and check your algorithm. And please, if you're a creator, you should be teaching people not to over-concentrate on what we call, on what we call views, because views can lie you. Now, let me show you here. You see here, there is an issue in limiting performance. Now you should go there and see why is it limiting performance. Posts with visible watermarks from other platforms may not be shown. What are other visible watermarks? Here there is no visible